have Callie with me. I also have a special guest, Laura. And today we will be making Nickelodeon slime. First we are going to make Galaxy, then we are going to make whichever one, Lulu, and then maybe Callie. Okay, so first unscrew the crank top of the mixer so it's open. Put the crank top aside. Measure 15 millimeters of clear glue using the supply measuring cup and pour it into the open top of the mixer. Scrape down the walls of the measuring cup to get it as much glue as possible. Did it say clear glue or white glue?
Clear
glue. So this one 15 millimeters, so we do it to the 15. This is gonna be hard.
Here.
Alright, so 3. Alright.
Wait, I don't think.
I guess it. Well, that's bad. That's why it wasn't.
Kelly, open the other ones while she does that.
Alright. So. Oh, 1 minute. I'm ready to kiss it. 15.
Okay, read the next step.
Alright. Step 3, measure 25 millimeters of room temperature
What's
water.
step 2?
Step 2 is measure 15 millimeters of clear.
Okay.
Step 3, measure 25 millimeters of room temperature water. Pour it into the mixture.
Put in it.
The mixture with the glue.
Okay.
Room temperature water. There we go. Is that 15? Yep, that's 15, right? Yeah. Room temperature water. Pour it in with it.
No.
No, pour that in.
Pour this.
Yeah. Get the scraper.
I need the
Scraper.
scraper. Just pour it. Just pour it. Can I please have it? Can I please have it? Oh, it's really getting stuck in there.
Okay.
Let me see. As much as possible. Okay. Oh, don't get on. Please don't get on. Alright, so.
No.
You use this.
Read the instructions.
And we're still on step 3.
Okay.
Cool. Measure 25 millimeters of room temperature water. Pour it into the mixture with glue.
Fill this up to the top.
That's 25 millimeters.
25.
Okay.
Stop.
That's enough. I
Okay.
can pour it. You pick up it.
Okay.
What's the next?
Step 4, make it fun. Add 1 spoon of blue colorant, 1.5 a vial of silver glue, and 1.5 vial of purple glitter to mix the mixture with the glue and water.
Yeah, I can do whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to put in there.
Wackadoodle. Alright,
I'm just gonna do this. Wait, how do I get that off?
Just
It's a blue.
Just keep going.
so
1.5. You
Can
want
I
to put
clean
some
this?
silver in there?
Can I clean this spoon?
yeah, we have to. It's on the directions. Why isn't this opening?
Ask how
Here, give it to me.
And then let's try to do the purple. Can you help us do the purple? Silver and purple.
Open that.
Alright. We're on step. We're
Come
on
on.
step 5.
Open it.
It's gonna take 2,000 years.
Here.
And then
No, can I pour it in?
I haven't got that one running yet.
Yes, you have. You got to put the water in, crazy.
No, one of the glitters. Okay, so step 5, place the crank top back on the mixer, twist it on until it's sealed.
Put this on. Ooh, just so this functions.
Slowly turn the crank with one hand while holding the mixture firmly in your other hand. The mixture of glue, water, and additives will become blended.
Here. Start it on.
Something sticked on it. Sticked on.
I'm slowly spinning it and look how fast it takes it. Does it say slowly or fast?
Slowly.
'Cause I can do it fast.
You don't want to do it fast.
Comment down below if you want me to do it fast.
Well, you're not going to be able to do it because then the video is going to be over by the time.
Comment below.
Okay. Is that good? I don't know what's good or not.
And also, please hit D to 100 likes.
Please get me to 100 subs, maybe 100K. Please, I need some subs. All right. Was that good enough? I don't know.
Wait.
It was.
No, it's not. It said mix up and then you'll slowly see like it come
Read
together.
the instructions again.
Read step 6 again.
Yes.
Slowly turn the crank with one hand while holding the mixture firmly in your hand. In your other hand, the mixture of glue, water, and additives will become blended.
Okay, so
Now do step 7.
Step 7.
It's golden in there.
Step 7. Now measure 5 millimeters of slime activator solution and pour it into the opening at the top of the crank top. Slowly turn the crank while holding the mixture
Did you
steadily.
put that in there?
You will see
No.
the mixture get thicker. Continue to turn the crank until all
Wait, you
all
have to put it
you-
right there.
until all the you
you have to
until
measure it.
all the
Measure?
5
Okay.
so all the solution is absorbed into the slime.
It's alright.
Is that water?
Just use it.
That's 5 millimeters.
I can't. Like, see,
You open
there's
it?
water in there.
That 5 millimeters is right there.
Yeah, but there's water in there.
And you gotta undo this.
Donovan, use this one. Here, Boo.
This one's good. We got this. Alright, this one. This one. Look, it's
Okay,
Mister. Okay, Mister. That's all you. That's all you. Okay, Mister.
I can't even see the flag back.
Alright, you should stop. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop.
Okay.
Alright, put it right there.
Alright.
Now start.
Note, be careful when using slime activator. Avoid contact with your eyes. Rinse the measuring cup between uses for best results.
See, look.
Okay? Step 8. After all solution absorbs, remove the slime from the slime mixer by twisting open the bottom of the mixer. Remove the slime with your hands and knee stretch and pull the slime until it becomes less sticky and more.
I could do that.
I have no idea what that is.
I'll do that part.
This will note that. Wait, that one? Yeah, but let's just
Sound it out.
No, it's impossible. It's not. This will make the slime softer and more stretchy. This will make it more stretchy. Okay. Oh, it already looks gooey. Look how gooey that looks. Is it good?
Be careful.
It is good because I know
Take
it's
it.
soft.
No. Is it
Oh,
good?
I
Is
don't
it good? Is it good?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good. It's good. It's good.
Now it said put it back in, and it said open the bottom.
Oh, it did say it.
Screw the top back on.
And open the bottom. Put it in my hands.
Oh my gosh. This thing is so
You
wrong.
might want to take your ring off. Thank you.
Here. Oh.
All right, it's coming off. What does the slime feel like?
Cold.
cold.
Oh, look how good your slime is. Need it.
Oh my
It's
god.
the slime. It's like
Okay, step 9. Sprinkle with a pinch of gold glitter to create a shimmering effect. Lulu,
See, look.
Lulu, put it back in the bottom. Guys,
I'm going back to my
we'll
cave.
make another video today. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the post notification button. Why did I say buddy? Stop! Lulu. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.